Hi guys, I am going to be doing my makeup this morning. I am shooting a vampire short film at a horror bar nearby for the whole day, so I need to arrive with my makeup done. They are doing different types of vampires. They're going to have Victorian vampires, 80s vampires, and modern vampires, and I'm playing a modern vampire. So the modern vampires, they are telling me it's more younger, a bit more gothic, and BDSM type. So let's get started. I'm going to start off using my NYX HD finishing powder. I want to be a bit more pale, so I'm just going to try to be skin tone, but paler. So let's see how this goes. Now I'm gonna work on my eyebrows. I feel like this was easier when I had my eyebrows half shaved. Now that I have like real eyebrows, this might be a bit more tricky, so let's see. Well, it's better than I expected for being a real eyebrow. Okay, now I'm gonna start working on my eyelids. I am using Maybelline Eye Studio Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner in this little pot. So I'm just gonna cover my eyelids and then add a bunch of shadow. Okay, now I'm just gonna use a black eyeshadow and I'm just gonna blend it out a bunch. Okay, now that I have banana fuel, I am going to start doing the eye drips. I'm gonna use this Superstar. I'm gonna start with this thicker brush and then I'm gonna switch to a thinner brush to do some like thinner lines and make the ends a bit thinner too. Now I think I want some thinner lines, so I'm gonna switch to a liquid eyeliner and make a mix of thin and thicker ones. Okay, this eyeliner is like super empty, so maybe I'm gonna switch to a different one. Now that I have these lines, I'm gonna add some more shadow to make it even darker. I'm digging the eyes now, so I'm going to go to the lips. I'm just gonna do like a nude pinkish color since the eyes have so much going on. Okay, now I popped my eye contacts in. They only wanted one contact, but I thought two looks so much better. And then I made my bun a bit more wild, and now I just need to change my top. This is the top I'll be wearing today for the shooting. I'm also gonna have on black leather mini shorts with chains and black platform boots, so I think it's gonna look pretty cool. So now everything is done and I'm gonna go.